Hello students, in today's lecture you will learn about symmetric simultaneous differential equation. Okay, so what is mean by symmetric simultaneous differential equation, or what is the type of this, and how to find out solution of such differential equation. Okay, so at first I will define what is mean by symmetric simultaneous differential equations, and later on we will find out its solution. Okay, so I state first what is mean by symmetric simultaneous. So a differential equation of the type dx upon p is equal to dy upon q is equal to dz upon r, where p, q, r they are functions of x, y, z. Where p, q, r they are functions of x, y, z. So differential equation of this type, where p, q, r functions of x, y, z, is said to be symmetric simultaneous differential equation. Is said to be symmetric simultaneous differential equation. Okay. Now solution of such differential equation consists of two independent relations between x, y, z. Now I repeat once again. Solution of such differential equation consists of, I write here, solution of such differential equation consists of two independent relations of the type let us say f of x comma y comma z is equal to c1 and f2 of x comma y comma z is equal to c2. Okay, so relation between x, y, z, two relations between x, y, z. Okay, so this is the solution of such type of differential equation. f of x, y, z, I write here, f1 of x, y, z is equal to c1 and f2 of x, y, z is equal to c2. Now how to find out these two relations for the given differential equation? So there are basically three methods. So I define these three methods. In order to obtain relation between x, y, z, there are three methods. So I write here method of grouping. This is first method of grouping. Then second, method of substitution. And third one, method of multipliers. Okay, these are the three methods to find out the relations between x, y, z. Now what is this first method of grouping? Let me explain. I explain these three methods with the help of example. So for this relation, let us say dx upon p is equal to dy upon q is equal to dz upon r. This is the general form of symmetric simultaneous differential equation. So method of grouping means what? If I consider first and second ratio, and let us assume that z is absent from in these first two ratios. So in that case I consider first two ratios and to obtain the relation between x and y. Or it may happen that from second and third ratio x is absent or x is missing. So this is called method of grouping. Either x is if I consider first two ratios, let us say z is present over there, but after considering this ratio you may cancel z from both sides. See, for example, what I mean, let us consider this differential equation. Dx by y square is equal to dy upon x square is equal to dz upon x square y square z square. Now let us say solve this differential equation. So if I consider first and second ratio, so you will notice that z is absent. So considering first two ratios, you will get the relation x square dx is equal to y square dy. Now integration gives, so integration is x cube by 3, then y cube by 3. So bring it to the left hand side, y cube by 3 is equal to c1. So this is one relation between x and y. Now if I consider first and third ratio, see first and third ratio. So dx upon y square is equal to dz upon x square y square z square. So cancel z square from both sides. So what does it mean? Then x square dx is equal to dz upon z square. Now variables are separated, then you can integrate this function. So what is its solution? X cube by 3 dz upon z square integration minus 1 by z. So bring it to the left hand side. 1 by z is equal to c2. So x cube plus 3 by z is equal to, let us say this is c2 dash. So call this as c2, where c2 is equal to 3 times c2 dash. So this is first relation, this is second relation. So relation 1 and 2 together gives the solution of this differential equation, given differential equation. This is called method of grouping. Now second method is method of substitution. So I take one example. What is meant by method of substitution? So solve this differential equation. Solve dx upon 2x is equal to dy upon minus y is equal to dz upon 4xy square minus z. Okay. So let us consider first two ratios because z is not there. So dx upon, considering first two ratios, consider first two ratios. So what will happen? Dx upon 2x is equal to dy upon minus y. So integrate on both sides. So 1 by 2 ln x is equal to minus ln y plus ln c1. So therefore 1 by 2 ln x multiplied by 2. So ln x plus 2 ln y is equal to 2 times ln c. So ln c1 square. Now log of a plus log of b is equal to log ab. So therefore after simplifying this you will get xy square is equal to let us call this as c1 dash. So xy square is equal to c1, where c1 is equal to c1 dash square. So this is one relation. Now I use this first relation to obtain second relation. So how I use this first relation? Let us see. Method of substitution. Xy square is equal to c. From we have first relation, xy square is equal to c. Now let us consider first and third ratio. So dx upon 2x is equal to dz upon 4. What is xy square? It is c1 minus z. 4x square y minus z. So you integrate this function then, because y is missing. Variables are separated. So integration is, now you do one thing, you multiply it by 2. So dx upon x is equal to dz upon multiplication by 2. Okay. I will do one thing. I will integrate as it is. So 1 by 2 ln x is equal to, now what is integration of this? Minus ln of 4c1 minus z plus, let us say c2 dash. Now multiplied by 2. So what will happen? Multiplied by 2. So ln x square. So I will write here x square is equal to multiplied by 2. So okay, I write one more step. Ln x is equal to multiplied by 2. So minus 2 ln 4c1 minus z plus, let us add the constant of integration ln c2 dash. So after multiplying you will get 2 ln c2 dash. Now ln x plus 2 ln 4c1 minus z is equal to ln c2 dash. Now log of a plus log of b, it is log of ab. So x 4c1 minus z whole square is equal to, let us say, c2, where c2, you will get here c2 dash whole square. Okay, 2 times ln c2, so c2 dash whole square, because m log a is equal to log of a raised to power m. So where c2 dash whole square is equal to c2. So now replace c1 by what we have, x. Now c1 is what here? What we have obtained, xy square. So I think xy square minus z whole square is equal to c2. So this is your second relation, and first relation was xy square is equal to c1. This is first relation. So first and second relation together gives the solution of given differential equation. Okay, and I will explain.